Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss that how we can change our Gmail account name. First we will enter email and we'll click on next. Then we will enter our Gmail account password. And again we'll click on next. Then we will click on the logo to the right upper corner. And we'll click on manage your Google account. Then on left side there is home, personal info, data, everything. We will click on personal info. Then downside there is name of our Google account and we'll click on that name. Again we will click on name. Here it's showing us first name and surname. We will enter the new name which we want, as I am entering here the name. After entering the name, down there is a save button and we'll click on the save. We can see our name is already changed now. We will click on the logo again and we'll check from there as well. Our name is changed. So that was the whole procedure which we will follow and we'll change our Google account name. Thank you for watching.